It's your time to surrender, Zach.
Never, you imposter.
So you have chosen death, do you?
No, I will never.
Honey.
We interrupt your laughing and excitement to bring you an urgent message from the emergency broadcast system.
Attention all Melonians and citizens. A test message is in effect for your area. No action is required. This is due of the system, because they are testing if the emergency broadcast is broken or not. The MPD or Melonian Police Department are also a part of the broadcast becas they are detecting. This is the following areas that have seen this broadcast also: Melonian Springs, Melon Valleys, North Melon City. We repeat and tell this word again. This is only a test. Thank you for your participate by the emergency broadcast system. Back to normal programming.